Hello everyone. In previous video, you all have seen how to install the MySQL connector. Now in this video, we will see how to establish a connection between MySQL database and Python. One more thing to be taken into account is that before actually implementing SQL commands through Python interface, we can check for the MySQL client program, which is running at the backend of the program. To check for MySQL user about which sometimes we are not aware of, we will use the command. As you can see here that I am on the MySQL platform. So I will write here select current underscore user so it has shown me root at the rate localhost. This is the current user. So now we will establish the connection. To establish the connection, we will open Python. The version which I have installed here, this is the latest version 3.11. As you can see here, the version is 3.11.4. And here I will go to file, new file. This is the script mode. Now in this script mode, I will write import MySQL dot connector. Now I will take any variable name. So my variable name is MyDB. To establish the connection, we will write MySQL dot connector dot. Now, since we have to connect the MySQL with Python, we will write here connect, start the small bracket. The first parameter is host. So we will use host equals to. So as you can see here, it is written localhost. So we will write here local host, comma, user equals to. So here you can see it's written root at the rate localhost. So the user is root. So we will write here root, comma. Third parameter is password, that is PASSWD equals to. Now, as you all have seen many a times that whenever I come to the MySQL platform, I do not enter any password. So here I will keep it as blank. Close the closing bracket. These are the three parameters of connect. Otherwise, there are four parameters. But since this is the first program of establishing the connection, so we will use only three parameters. And here we will write print and my variable, my DB. Now let us try to run this. I have given it the name of M1. Now I will run this. So you can see here that the connection has been established, and in the output shown here, this signifies that the connection has been successfully established. So now, after establishing the connection. Let us try to create a database and let us see if that database has been created in MySQL or not. So here I will close this script. The connection has already been established. Again, I will open the script, and here in the script again, I will write import MySQL dot connector. So whichever program you are doing in which the connection has to be there between Python and MySQL, so you have to import MySQL dot connector. In the similar manner as we have done the previous program, we will take one variable, same MySQL dot connector dot connect, start the small bracket, host is the local host, user, root, password. I have not kept any password while installing MySQL. Now, the third statement here will be, I will create a cursor object. Now, in this subject, for interacting with the MySQL through Python is to create a cursor object. It will let us execute all the queries we need. In order to put our new connection to use, we need to create a cursor object, and it is very easy to create a cursor object. Just take any variable and write and use here this variable, the variable which you have taken in the second line. Take that variable over here, dot cursor. That's it. And the cursor object has been created. Now we have taken MC as our new variable. So we will use MC to execute all the queries. So actually MC is that cursor object which we have created. MC dot execute, and let us create a database. Create database school. This is how I have written. Otherwise, we could have written create database school on the MySQL platform. But here we have written this statement, this command in Python, and we will see after running whether the school database has been created in SQL or not. So let us again save the program. So if the prompt has come here, now let us check over here. Show databases. So you can see here that the school database has been created in MySQL. Earlier, school database was not here. Now the school database has been created. So this is how you can see that the connection has been established between Python and MySQL. Let us see one more program over here. And in this program, we will create a table student inside the database school. So first of all, let us see here, use school, show tables. So you can see empty set, there is no table inside the school. Now through Python, we will create a table inside the school database. Again, I will open the script mode. Programs are easy to understand once you get the concept. Again, we will write the first line, MySQL dot connector. Again, take a variable, MySQL dot connector dot connect. I told you in the first program that connect has otherwise 4 parameters, but we used 3 parameters until we knew the name of the database. But now, as we know the name of the database school, we will use all the 4 parameters over here. Host equals to localhost, user equals to root, password equals to, let's keep it blank, database is equal to school. Now we will create a cursor object. MC equals to MyDB dot cursor. The cursor has been created, cursor object. Name of the cursor object is MC. So we will write MC dot execute. And now we will write the whole command which we could have given on the SQL platform. Create table student. Let us take the first field name, roll number, integer, name, varchar 15, age, integer, city, varchar 8. Let us close the double quotes and again close the bracket. So this bracket has been closed over here and this double quote has been closed over here and the execute open bracket is closed at the end. So this is how it is. Again, let us save this. And now we will run it. You can see that the prompt has again appeared. Now let us see. Show tables. So you can see the student table. Describe student. You can see here roll number, name, age, and city. So we have created a table in Python and that table has been created in MySQL. So you can see that the connection has been established between Python and MySQL. Try to establish the connection and try to create a database and a table in Python and then check whether the table and the database has been created in MySQL or not. Thank you.